was really pumped when this project came up. Samantha is someone that I knew since high school, and I've always wanted to do a project about her organization, Women Who Weld. There's a lot of features with the Z6III that really blew me away. First of all, this camera can shoot in 6K, can do 120 frames a second at 4K, and you can do 240 frames a second in HD. I'm really excited about the NRAW file format. It has such a high dynamic range. The autofocus has been huge. I'm able to set the camera up and not really worry about whether or not they're still in focus. It's a powerhouse of a camera. My favorite moments during the shoot was when we were getting some welding from below and the sparks are flying on the lens. I only burned holes in 2 of my filters. That's not too bad.